Assalamu alaikum everyone. I am Shiraz Ahmed Loon. In this lecture we are going to have a virtual tour on the captivating Lakshadweep Islands.
The name Lakshadweep in Malayalam and Sanskrit means 100,000 islands or 1 lakh islands. Lakshadweep, India's smallest union territory, is an archipelago of 36 islands, 12 atolls, 3 reefs, 5 submerged banks and 10 inhabited islands with an area of 32 square kilometers. It is located between 8 degrees to 12 degrees, 13 minutes north latitude and 71 degrees to 74 degrees east longitude. Lakshadweep are divided into 3 island subgroups. The Amindivi Islands in the north, Laccadive Islands in the central, and Minicoy Atoll in the south. Now first of all we're going to explore the Amindivi inhabited and important islands. Amani Island was one of the first islands in the archipelago to be inhabited. Amani Island is oval-shaped, 2.8 kilometers long and up to 1.3 kilometers wide. It is fringed by a reef 0.3 to 0.6 kilometers wide. In the past, Kiltan was nicknamed as Cheriyponani, meaning Little Ponnani. Kiltan Island also has crossed by 73rd meridian east through its landmark known as Kulikara. Kiltan is the home of the Sufi saint Sheikh Ahmad Naqshbandi. Chetla Island is a coral island belonging to the Amindivi subgroup of islands. Coir twisting, also called coconut fiber, was the traditional occupation of the inhabitants. Kadmat Island is also known as Cardamom Island. The only inhabited village on the island is Kadmat. Kadmat Island is known to have traded with the Romans, as in 1948 a girl found a Roman coin in a quarry on the island. Bitra, also known as Bitrapur, is the smallest island. There is a shrine dedicated to an old Arab saint by the name of Malik Mullah. (11° north latitude is a boundary between Amindivi Islands and Laccadive Islands. Bangaram Island belongs to the Laccadive subgroup of islands, is the largest island in the atoll, with a land surface of 0.623 square kilometers. Agatti Atoll is known as gateway to Lakshadweep. It is a 7.6 kilometers long island, situated on a coral atoll called Agatti Atoll. Agatti Airport is located at the southern end of Agatti Island, and is the sole airstrip in the archipelago. The airstrip was constructed during 1987-88 for operation of Dornier 228 type of aircraft and was inaugurated on the 16th of April 1988. Kavaratti is the capital of the Union Territory of Lakshadweep. It is known for the carved wooden pillars and roofs of its mosques and the carved stones of its graveyards. As per 2011 census, the population of Kavaratti was 11,210 persons. Andrat Island, also known as Androth Island, had been known as Divanduru in the past. It was the first island to embrace Islam. The 9-degree channel is a boundary between the Laccadive Islands and Minicoy Island. It is so named as it lies on the 9-degree line of latitude, north of the equator. Minicoy, the second largest and the southernmost atoll of Lakshadweep archipelago, locally known as Maliku, is on Maliku Atoll. The ancient name of Maliku was Mahildu, meaning women's island. However, the name Maliku is thought to have been derived from the Arab traders' term for the island, Jazirat ul Maliku, means the island of the king.